welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some smothered pork chops. Okay, so right now I'm about to go ahead and start on cutting my onion, bell peppers. I have green, orange, and yellow bell peppers. That's what we're using for our smothered pork chops. Okay, so we're just gonna cut these like so. No particular side. We just wanna make sure that they are diced. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up right here, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this green bell pepper, this orange bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up. It don't have to be done a certain way, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this bell pepper, and I'll meet y'all at the pan. Okay, y'all, I'm about to start seasoning this meat with this black pepper. Y'all, look how cute this is. Ain't that so cute? Yes. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit of onion powder. Like so. And I'm going to do both sides, y'all, okay? So I'm going to add some garlic powder. Okay, y'all, and I'm going to use some of this soul food seasoning. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and rub this in and flip them over. Like so. Okay, we're going to the other side. Okay, the same seasonings. Oh, y'all, and I'm going to go ahead and use this perfect seasoning too by GOYA. Y'all, love me some GOYA seasonings, okay? They got the perfect flavor, y'all. Just making your food taste so good. Excuse me, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some more pepper on this side. Well, not sprinkle, but I forgot the term of this right here, but I'll let y'all know what it's called in a minute. Let me go ahead and rub this in with the pork chop. Get this flavor, this seasoning all over these beautiful pork chops, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and start on my next batch. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the same seasonings. Okay, and we're gonna do both sides. And I'll be back, y'all, in a minute. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and crack some pepper into my flour like so. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt in my flour. Like so. Probably like a tablespoon, y'all. Just a little bit. Just to give it a little flavor. And I'm going to mix it in like so. And I actually put a little more pepper. I like to see my pepper, y'all. I like to see it. That's what I know is doing something, okay? Alright, that's a little better, y'all. I can see my pepper now. Okay. Let's put a little more in here. We're just flavoring up our flour, y'all. Okay? Alright, and like I said, that was about a half a tablespoon of salt in there. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and get these pork chops up in this flour, y'all. Ooh, they look so good, y'all. Look at that. Look at that pork chop. Alright, so I'm going to see y'all at the pan. Okay, y'all. About to add in the first pork chop. Ooh, y'all. Look at that. Yes, baby. Look at that sizzle. Look at that pork chop, y'all. Nice pork chops. I think that's some nice pork chops, y'all. So we're gonna let that go ahead and get cooked. And I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, let me go ahead and flip this like so. Ooh, y'all, look at how pretty that pork chop is, y'all. Look how pretty it is. Let me get another one in there. All right, look at that sizzle, y'all. Look at that. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Ooh, that's looking so good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to cook. I'll check back in with y'all in a few minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna add half a cup of milk to my water. I'm about to put me some corn in here, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and put a little butter in there. My corn. So I'm putting, that was probably 2 cups of water and half a cup of milk, and I'm gonna do a tablespoon of butter. Okay, and I'm gonna add in some cracked pepper to my corn, y'all. Okay, and I'm gonna add in that'll be all for now. Actually, I'm gonna go with we're gonna make that a cup. Make that a cup of milk. Okay. And let me go ahead and I'll be back, y'all. I'll be right back. So I'm putting my corn. These are corn on the cob. Fresh corn on the cob. I'm putting them in my milk and butter, and we're just gonna let it do its thing. Okay, and I got my pork chop right here cooking. I'm about to go ahead and flip it for y'all. I got my pork chop cooking. I got it. Let me flip it for y'all. Yes, baby, look how pretty that is, y'all. Yeah, and you know what, it's gonna taste so good because you're in China's kitchen. Okay, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave me some comments down below. Leave me some comments down below on what y'all making for dinner. Okay? Be right back. Okay, y'all. So I'm putting in my last 2 pork chops, y'all. And we'll be back here with y'all when I'm putting this. I'm making the gravy. I'm about to make the gravy in a few minutes. And stay tuned for that, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour to my leftover grease from my pork chops. That's what the flavor is, y'all. And this leftover grease, we're going to let this go ahead and let the flour cook. Like so. Let that go ahead and cook down. Like so. Okay. I'll let that cook. Almost like a roux, y'all. Okay. And then I'm about to add in my half a cup of milk to this mixture here, like so. Add a little bit at a time so I can work this in there like so. And y'all, it's gonna get lighter, okay? My gravy is gonna get way lighter. This is just a process. You have to, you know, if you know about making homemade gravy, you would know. Okay? For the ones that don't know, this is what you do. Okay? So you just get this mixture like so. I'm gonna turn my fire down. Okay? Alright, y'all, I'll be right back. Let me get this to where I want it to be, and I'll be right back. Y'all, so this is what it's looking like so far. Let me go ahead and crack a little pepper in here. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue to work this on down. Sorry y'all, gotta use a fork. That was not working for me. I hear you. What happened? Tell me what happened. I know. Mom life, y'all. Mom life. Okay. So we're going to continue to work this gravy like so. Milk in there. I'm going to add a little water. And I'm going to stir it like so. We want to get this loosened up here, okay? This is going to be our gravy that we are smothering our pork. Thank you, y'all. Sorry. Water is tuning me out. And it's going to, you know what, y'all? It's going to get lighter than this. It's going to be way lighter, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and continue to work on this gravy, and y'all gonna see how amazing it looks and it tastes. Well, y'all ain't gonna be able to see what it tastes like, but y'all gonna see how good it looks, okay? So I'll be back with y'all in a few minutes, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is what my corn is looking like. I did add some salt and pepper and milk and butter. And this is what it's looking like. This is that corn that you know, the fresh corn that you have to peel and clean. Yes, baby. Look at that corn, y'all. Ooh, yeah, baby. And they was white. So you see how they turned? They changed to like a yellow color from the butter. So that's how you know that's going to be fire. Okay. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm about to put the pork chops in the pan so we can smother them with this gravy. Okay? Be right back. Okay, y'all. So this is what my gravy looking like so far. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. Okay? So I added some Creole seasoning up in here. You know I gotta use my Tonys, y'all. Yeah, baby. And I added a little bit of onion powder in here. And that's about it, y'all. So this is what we are looking at. So I'm about to meet y'all at the destination. We about to smother these pork chops, y'all. Stay tuned for that. Okay, y'all. So this is what my corn looking like right now. Yes, baby. Don't that look so good? And y'all had to go ahead and add me some Sazon. Sazon, baby. Some Sazon, baby. Actually, it's, what is it? Sazon. It's called Sazon Total. This right here. I went on to add this to my gravy, y'all. Y'all probably know about this right here. Yes, the perfect seasoning. Yeah, baby. And you know what? It got everything in it. Y'all see all that right there? Yeah, baby. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to add some vegetables to my pan. Adding some green, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Hey. Chill out. Okay, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and add in a few onions. Like so. Once I get them out this bowl right here, y'all, I got a whole lot of mixture going on here. But it's all about the presentation, y'all. You know, you want it to be nice and look very appealing, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add some more onions to this right here. This pan right here, y'all. Okay? So we're going to do that like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and spoon some gravy in the pan, like so. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this gravy a stir. It's nice and hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and spoon some gravy in this pan, like so. Okay, just like that. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So this is my smothered pork chops going into the oven. I do have my oven set at 375. So yeah, y'all, this is about to be so delicious. So I'm about to go ahead and cover it with some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then I'll be back with y'all. I'll let y'all know how long it actually cooked to my liking. Okay, so I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so the pork chops, smothered pork chops, are going in an hour for 45 minutes. And I'll let y'all know when I get back, y'all. Be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I decided to make some cornbread to go with my smothered pork chops. We're gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, and I will show y'all the end results. No. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result of my smothered pork chop. I'm just sprinkling some parsley on top to make it look so pretty. And I know it's delicious, y'all. Let me just sprinkle a little bit more over here. Okay, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all know I had to take a bite. Okay, so let me dig in to these pork chops. Y'all probably could just cut it because it was falling off the bone. Let's see. Let's do this side. Oh yeah, see, there it go, y'all. Look at that. It's falling off the bone. Hold on, y'all. Let me just cut it like this. Oh yeah. Yes, baby. I'm hoping this ain't the bone, y'all. Yeah, baby. That's so good, y'all. Alright, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.